Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Anycubic i3 Mega S. Coming up.
Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
So these are the things I 3D printed on this device. A float grip for my GoPro, landing feet for my drone, these two owls that came on the SD card when I brought the 3D printer, a small little robot, some rings. They're really fine. They were 0.01mm layer height, so they're really nice. And this is just a wedge for my Echo Dot so I can see it at the night. And I've also 3D printed this optical illusion cube, and this is supposed to test your 3D print limits, and you can see it turned out beautifully. There's only a tiny bit of stringing from the device, and it looks absolutely lovely. Yeah, so the 3D print quality is amazing. My thoughts, I really like this 3D printer because it cost me £250. At first it took a bit of time to configure and get all the Cura settings set up, but once I did it and leveled the bed, it works perfectly, every print. And it offers exceptional print quality. The print bed's 210 by 210 by 205mm. This enables you to print large size 3D models. It also includes a filament run-out sensor, so it will pause the print when your filament runs out, and you can just put new filament in and it will automatically replay your print. It's a really nice feature that it allows you to print ABS, wood filament, TPU and PETG, and of course PLA. It supports filament that is 1.75mm. It has this new patented Anycubic Ultra Base that allows you to remove your print with ease once your print bed cools down. I think this is amazing because it creates less effort when you try and remove your print, because it literally just falls off once it's cooled down. It also comes with a 1-year warranty if you buy it through Amazon Prime, and you can get it the next day delivery. It's also nice how it only required 8 screws to put up and install. It's also a nice feature that it comes with 1 kg spool of filament. If you get this printer, I'd recommend to get a Raspberry Pi and load Octoprint on it, so this allows you to control your 3D printer remotely through a phone or a laptop, and you can also attach a Raspberry Pi camera or just a USB webcam to it so you can get nice time lapses, or you can just monitor your print downstairs or remotely or wherever. If you'd like to access it outside of your network, you need to port forward it, and I'll make a video about how to do this. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.